Now that the Jackson Hole symposium is out of the way, the markets will be focusing on the US jobs data. On Wednesday, the ADP report will hit the wires. The market expects the US economy to have added 173,000 private jobs in August versus the 179,000 printed a month ago. On Friday, the change in the US non-farm payrolls will be the main focus. The correlation between ADP and NFP figures is relatively insignificant, yet the ADP read on Wednesday generally sets the tone and reshapes expectations for the NFP read. The consensus is for 180,000 new non-farm jobs to have been added in August, versus the solid 255,000 printed last month. In Japan, consumer prices fell for a fifth consecutive month in July, leaving the Bank of Japan with an even bigger headache before the next monetary policy meeting in September. Japan's retail sales in July are expected to have improved by 0.8% during the same month. Any negative surprise on this end could further weigh on inflation expectations. For yen traders, Japan's latest employment data, retail trade and household spending for July will all be released on Tuesday, 12:30 AM British Summer Time. The monetary game in Japan has become very challenging, given that the Bank of Japan has gradually lost credibility and support from the market. LCG senior analyst believes it's time for the Bank of Japan to surprise the insatiable market, yet central bank governor Kuroda is running out of resources. Thursday will see a flurry of manufacturing data releases from Asia, Europe and the US. The manufacturing data in China will be the focus of the Antipodeans and commodity traders. A faster contraction in the Chinese manufacturing industry would cause additional pressure on the Australian dollar and the commodity complex. However, the trend in the US dollar is expected to remain centre stage and either enhance or temper the price movements before Friday's critical NFP read. Finally, the UK's second quarter GDP growth came in line with expectations at 0.6%, shifting the focus to the manufacturing and services PMI data for August, due at the end of the week. While market expects a narrower contraction in the UK's manufacturing sector, the services industry, which makes up 3/4 of the economy, will be in greater focus. A further contraction in the UK services industry following Brexit could weigh on sentiment and negatively impact the pound. A significant disappointment could reset the pound below the 1.30 level against the US dollar. That's all for today's Week Ahead. Make sure you stay in the know with LCG's daily market analysis, which can be found on our website at www.lcg.com/UK. See you next week and goodbye.